In this video, I'll show you how to recover your revoked CRA account step by step. So if this happened to you, please don't worry. It's for your own protection, all right? And some of the problems that can cause this revocation include multiple sign-in errors, signing in using a third-party app or website, which in my case, I link it to my Word Simple Tax account, so I knew this will happen for sure. So I'll show you the process to recover it. All right, so on the CRA website, you can click sign in to CRA account, or you can click CRA sign in. So I'll click this one, scroll down, and you have three options here. Normally I use the CRA user ID and password to sign in. It's preventing me from logging in, so I have to stop. So I'll use the sign in partner to log in. If you are in British Columbia or Alberta, you can use this option. If you don't have online banking, then you cannot log in with this. You have to call Revenue Canada to help you reset. By my case, I have online banking, so I'll use sign in partner to log in. I'll click sign in partner. These are the sign in partners, so you just have to scroll down and check which online banking you have connected to your CRA account. So let's assume you have TD banking. Just click on this. You're gonna end up on this page. So enter your social insurance number, your date of birth, and your line 15,000 amount without the cents. All right, so let's say if it's $20,000 and 50 cents, just enter $20,000 without the 50 cents. All right, then click next. So on this page, enter the tax information using the same income tax and benefit return from the previous page. So let's say you are using 2024 income tax amount or notice of assessment. In this case, I have to check the line 12900 amount and enter here. So let's say that line is $10,000 and 75 cents. Just enter $10,000 without the 75 cents. Please check the line number carefully, then click next. All right, so on this page you have two options, either with the Interact document verification service or with CRA security code by mail. If you check the Interact document verification, you have to show your driver's license or passport. All right, but I prefer the CRA security code by mail, and that will take 5 to 10 business days to get it. All right, so it's up to you, but in most cases, especially with CRA, I don't like using the Interact document verification. But if you know how to verify yourself with Interact, that's fine, you can go ahead with that. And like I said, with that you get instant access. But with the second option, they will mail you the code and they show you what to do. When that is done, click next. All right, so on this page, enter your postal code or zip code and click next. CRA has your information in the system already, so you just have to make sure the last 4 digits of your mobile phone number is correct on this page. If it's correct, they will send you a temporal code to enter for multi-factor authentication, and you have two choices: text me or call me. I would advise you use text me. With that, you have the code on your phone. This page, enter the code number and click next. Alright, CRA security code notification confirmation. As a security measure, we will mail your CRA security code to your address on record with the CRA. Like I said, they have your information already in the system. You should receive it within 5 to 10 days. When this is done, just click exit the page, because if you click next, even though the next button is there, it's gonna prompt error, and I'll show you what I mean. If I click next, it's gonna say sorry, this is not allowed, and it's just the way the system is set up. So when you click the exit page, like I showed you before, it's gonna take you to the home page, or even here, just click home page and it's gonna take you back to the home page. Just wait for 5 to 10 working days and CRA will guide you or show you what to do. This is the end of the tutorial. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel, and check out other videos on the channel.